Hi, it's Sue from Full Motion Quilt Along with Friends. We're working on Trapunto today. This first method is suitable for using with a long arm sewing machine. What we've done, we've cut the shape out slightly larger than what we need and we've basted it into position. I have a dot where I need to anchor my ruler to do a circle. A circle. We've made a quilt sandwich as normal once we've basted that first layer of batting into place. As we sew, it should be just catching the edge of the trapunto layer of batting. Once we've done this, we can remove the lines of basting, or you could leave it to later if you were doing a whole quilt. Should have. See how I've just caught the edge of that first layer of batting. So now just remove the basting stitches and we're going to stipple around each of these three pieces that I'll be doing. All have a wool poly base layer and a polyester trapunto layer. You can already see the extra height in the circle that you would not normally have with one layer of batting. The second method is similar. Normally I would cut just a shape slightly larger than what I need, which would then be trimmed back later. This way you outline first. If you have water soluble thread, you could use that and then just wash, and that first lot of stitching will be removed. But this way you outline first, you then trim the excess close to the stitching. So if you've got a complicated shape, having a sharp pair of scissors at the point is essential. I often use the little snips in the picture to trim back with applique shapes. A simple shape like this, scissors works fine. You can see there I've trimmed it close to the stitching slightly, and we're now going to make our quilt sandwich as normal. We're going over the previous line of stitching, which is making the stitching look bolder and more defined, and that might be a look that you want, and that's fine again. Again, we can also see the height that we're getting from the double layers of batting in the centre. Once the outline is completed, we will stipple around the edge and you will see the difference once again with the height and the loft.
And that's the last one. Thank you for watching.
Now for the third cheating method. Personally, this is not my preferred method if I want a trapunto look, although a lot of people say it is a form of trapunto because you do get more height, but it's not as defined as what the other two methods are. I'm using a polywool layer and a polyester layer once again, and this method you're doing the 2 layers batting over the entire quilt. So once again, we're doing our outline first. You can already see you don't have the same height difference between the circle and the background. It is far better than just having one layer of wadding, but to me, I prefer the greater difference between the two. Thanks for watching.